Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm comparing Windows 11 File Explorer and New Files app. Here you can see Windows 11 File Explorer and New Files app. We can see a clear difference between the File Explorer and Files app. Files app has modern color and modern design. But Windows 11 Files Explorer hasn't it. We can only see the new icons in Windows File Explorer. New Files app has Windows 11 new animations, but Windows File Explorer hasn't it. Also we can see tabs in New Files app. This feature has Windows File Explorer but we want to enable it. This modern File Explorer has all of Windows 11 File Explorer's features but they all are redesigned and rebuilt. This Files app has Windows old right-click menu features, like refresh. Windows 11 File Explorer Properties tab is not redesigned but in New Files Explorer it's redesigned. This new File Explorer selecting UI is really cool. But in Windows File Explorer is selecting UI is not redesigned. Comment below what is your favorite app from both File app. Thanks for watching. See you later.